guys, what's up? It is Ipsy time, and I'm not gonna lie, I did open this, just because the bag was kind of tore up, and I wasn't sure if anything was missing or not, so I did open it to look into it. But there's nothing missing, everything's fine, so see you, bye. So this is the bag that I got. I was hoping for the blue, but I don't hate this one. It's a very nice ombre color, very pretty. So first up, we have by Pixi. It's a Skin Treats Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner, 5% glycolic acid. Gently exfoliates and brightens, revealing healthy glowing skin for all skin types. Alcohol-free and dermatologist tested. Use AM or PM or as needed after cleansing. Apply with a cotton pad, avoiding the eye area. That's what it looks like. That's really cool. I like tonic. I really do. Ooh, and it's sealed. Like, look. See, it's sealed. That's cool. Cool. Stoked about that. I like trying new things. Next up is the Believe in Truth Moisturizing Eye Balm. Essential Eye Cream. Provides intense moisture. Boosts elasticity. This eye cream has been clinically tested to provide up to 26 hours of moisture and improve skin elasticity. That's kind of cool. That's what it looks like. Just, you know, cute little... Is it sealed though? It's not. Wah, wah, wah. But it's still in there. Smells good. Smells kind of minty almost. I'll try it. My eyes need all the help they can get. So excited. Next up we have Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer, a base hydrating primer. Oh, that's all it says about it. That's what it looks like. Just a little tiny skin primer, or primer I should say. Ooh, look at that. It's got a super tip on it. That's cool. Maybe a little bit goes a long way. I don't know. We'll try it. Next up is the Kaleido Cosmetics Skin Blush. Softest skin blush. Cruelty-free no matter what. Talc-free and formulated with 100% plant-based ingredients. This soft, skin-perfected blush goes on like powder and wears like seamless silk. Now that's a good reason to blush. It's in the color Prom Queen. Oh, and it's certified vegan and gluten-free. That's cool. A lot of my friends that I know have issues with gluten. So, that's what the packaging looks like. And then let's open it up. Okay. Holy. Okay, I don't think I'm opening it. There's no tape or anything. Okay, there we go. I just gotta pry it. Oh, it's got a cute little mirror. That's not bad. Look at that. That's decent pan size. So it looks like on my finger. Alright, let's see. Whoa. I don't think I'm gonna use that as a blush. No, I think it's going for a highlight. That's what I think. It's going for a highlight. That's cool. I like that. That's neat. And then the last thing I have in here, and I lied, that got all jacked up. I don't know if I'm going to use that. There's no fingerprints or anything on the tube. But anyway, this is the Adis Lip Polish Luxury Lip Gloss in Skinny Dip. Sheer lipstick with the superior shine of a gloss. Formulated with polymer technology that forms an invisible featherweight film that moves with the lips, providing comfort and extended wear. Cool. And it is, of course, cruelty-free. So this is what it looks like. That's the color. Sparkly. Alright, let's see. Doesn't look like it's been used, so that's what the wand looks like. This is the color. Oh, it's pretty. Kind of a very sheer color. Kind of peachy. Might be nice as a topper. Yeah, I might use that. So that is all that I got in my Ipsy. And then, of course, the card that comes with it, which is flying colors for this month. So that's cool. So I got a lot more skincare products than actual cosmetics, but that's okay. I don't mind. I got, you know, a brand that I've never heard of before. I've never heard of these guys. I've never tried anything from them, so that's cool. So that's it, you guys. Give us a thumbs up if you liked this video. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys got. Subscribe if you haven't. Would love to have you as part of my family. And as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. And hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. I'm trying to figure out a schedule that works with work because it's crazy right now. So until next time, you guys. Bye.